In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printful Mockup Generator. By the end, you'll know how to open Printful, start a product, design it inside the built-in tool, and preview professional mockups without touching any photo editing software. First, head to the Printful website in your preferred browser. Using a desktop gives you the most control over placement and sizing, though it works on mobile too. If this is your first time, consider bookmarking the site so you can jump back in quickly later. Next, log into your Printful account. Sign in securely and make sure you're in the right store or workspace if you manage more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Add Product button. This is your gateway to the full catalog and the mockup generator. Click Add Product and browse the categories. Take a moment to pick something that fits your design and use case. T-shirts and hoodies are great for direct-to-garment, while mugs, posters, or totes each have their own best practices. Check size ranges, available colors, and fabric details so your design will look its best on the final item. When you choose a product, the design tool opens automatically. You'll see a preview canvas with print area guides. Think of this as your workspace. For clean results, aim to use high-resolution artwork, ideally 300 dpi at the final print size, and export in sRGB for predictable color. For apparel, transparent PNG files help you avoid unwanted boxes around your art. Keep key elements inside the safe area to prevent accidental cropping. Now, upload your design or create one right inside the tool. Drag and drop your image, then use the controls to scale, rotate, and position it. Use the alignment guides to center your artwork and keep margins even. If your design looks soft when zoomed in, it may be too small for the print size. Reduce the print size or upload a larger file. You can also add text directly in the tool, choosing fonts, weights, and colors that complement your artwork. Explore the built-in clip art library for simple graphics and accents. Keep it cohesive, and watch contrast so text stays readable on darker garments. Finally, preview the mockups generated automatically. Switch between color variants, angles, and lifestyle or flat lay views to see how your design sits on real products. Zoom in, check alignment near seams, and confirm that edges are crisp and colors look right. If something feels off, jump back to the design tool, adjust placement or scaling, and preview again until it's perfect. That's it. Quick, clear, and ready for stunning product visuals using Printful's Mockup Generator.